Take a look at this place. It feels quiet, almost calm, but every second something extraordinary is happening here. Before a coin ever carries a design, it begins like this. Simple. Plain. Before anything else happens, every single blank is checked. Not some of them, all of them. If even one piece maffle.
Even a tiny imperfection matters here. So before shaping begins, every surface is clean. At this stage, nothing is rushed. The metal is carefully conditioned, brought to the right state. This is the moment everything changes. The metal doesn't fight back. It simply takes shape. Now the details appear. The edges are shaped, the lines become clear, and every mark sears. This step is all about refinement. Nothing is rushed, nothing is forced. Slow move. Before a coin moves on, it gets one last look. Every surface, every detail, no guesswork. Every coin is counted in motion. Quiet systems make sure nothing is missed. Once counted, the coins are grouped and set aside. Nothing is rushed, nothing is crowded. Complete. With counting complete, the coins move on, quietly, carefully. Each group follows. This is where protection matters. Each group is sealed, not tightly, but carefully. The goalposts. Every group needs an identity, not for decoration, but for clarity. So each package is marked. Before storage, there's one final confirmation. Everything is checked, everything is aligned. Now the coins rest. Not forgotten, just organized. Every tray knows its place, ready. Even while stored, nothing is forgotten. Every group is quietly monitored, accounted for. When a request arrives, the system responds. No searching, no confusion.
Before moving out, everything lines up. Spacing is checked. Position is confirmed. It's a quiet. This is where the floor hands things over. Nothing dramatic, nothing sudden.
Once outside, the process continues just as calmly. The factory doesn't end here. It connects. Outside the facility, timing matters just as much. Every movement is planned. Every moment, everything is visible. Not to control, but to stay aware. Because clarity creates confidence. Decisions here are not rushed. They are formed step by observing patterns. Nothing here works alone. Every movement is aware of the others. Timing replaces speed. Movement here is not random. Every item knows where it belongs and when it should arrive. Efficiency can seem. Before anything moves forward, it is quietly observed. Not judged by people, but by light. Nothing is rushed here. Decisions happen quietly, in real time. Each product continues forward. Before packaging, everything finds its place. Spacing, direction, balance. This is the moment everything comes together. Just a quiet seal, marking the end of one journey.
Even after packaging, nothing is assumed. Each seal is seen. Each surface is reviewed.
At this point, everything is ready. Nothing left to check. Nothing left to adjust.
Now, the system lets go. Not abruptly, not forcefully, but with quiet confidence. This is where preparation becomes movement, where precision leaves the floor and enters the world. Beyond production, movement becomes intelligence. Here, every package knows where it's going. This is where decisions happen, not by humans pressing buttons, but by systems reading the world in real time. Once the decision is made, movement begins instantly. No drivers, no delays. These visitors. Out here on the open road, efficiency becomes motion. This isn't just transport. As the journey reaches the city, everything becomes quieter, smarter, more precise. Each vehicle arrives. Inside the distribution hub, speed doesn't feel rushed. Every package arrives, is identified. This is where decisions happen in real time. Every package is scanned, understood, and guided toward its destinies. Before the final journey begins, everything slows just enough to be precise. Deliveries are organized by neighborhood. When everything is ready, the vehicles simply come alive. The final journey begins smoothly, silent. Out on the streets, everything blends in. The technology steps back, allowing the city to remain the focus. Here, precision becomes subtle. The technology doesn't rush. It adapts to the spaces where people live. We're certain. The destination is reached without noise, without urgency. Every stop is intentional. First, the system prepares, checking position, confirming location, making sure everything is just right. The SIS. The handoff is simple.
There's no interruption, just a small signal at the right moment. The delivery fixed. The moment is simple. No instructions, no waiting. Just a delivery. Complete. The system resets. Just a quiet return to motion, coast, ready for the next destination. Once the system moves on, life continues as before. The technology steps away, leaving only convenience behind. This isn't about replacing everyday life. It's about supporting it, quietly, consistently. As these systems grow, they don't change how life feels. They repeat the same small actions. In the end, the most advanced systems are the ones you barely notice. They don't ask to be seen,